Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 0 in Roblox. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A simple restart of your router or modem can often clear up minor network glitches, allowing the game to connect smoothly. This quick check is your initial and often most effective step, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Sometimes, the issue is not with your setup but with Roblox itself. Before proceeding, check the official Roblox status page or a reliable third-party site like Down Detector. If the servers are down, you will need to wait for the Roblox team to resolve the issue. There is no need to troubleshoot your system further if the problem is on their end. If servers are fine, try clearing your Roblox cache and reinstalling the game. First, uninstall Roblox completely from your computer's programs. Then, navigate to your App Data folder and delete any remaining Roblox files. A fresh installation ensures you have the latest, uncorrupted game files, which can often eliminate persistent error codes like 0. Your firewall or antivirus software might be mistakenly blocking Roblox. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus programs for a few moments, then try launching the game. If Roblox now works, you will need to add an exception for Roblox in your security settings. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately after testing for your protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.